Look for that 2JZ. Mark will come by it.
Imagine.
That looks like an LS.
It is an LS.
Not with that fan.
Look at it.
Dude, that's an LS.
That's an
for
LS.
sure. Oh, that's wild. It's all-wheel drive. I like how they did that. Look at that span there. What engine is that? It's a V6 of some type.
Which one?
Right there. That looks like a Chevy intake. Might be wrong though. 5.0 liter V8.
Oh, that's what you're looking for. For a Mustang.
Is that a Coyote?
It might not be a Coyote, but it's a 5.0. It might be a 302.
It's not a 302. Well, it might be a 302.